So last week we had an opportunity to see this little girl. She came in for a consult with her family, and this is the video that the parents shared with us. We do ask that when we have a new patient consult that they can take a video of a child when they're sleeping. This video literally almost made me cry. Like, it was just terrible to listen to her. And if you're watching the video, look at the way her chest muscles are retracting. Like, she's working so hard to breathe. And we're going to share with you next her CBCT so that you can sort of see why that breathing was the way it was.